Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIAC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I would consider today a victory, and I say that just because on Friday, it was just such a nasty, nasty day. So just to have the price go sideways, I would consider that bullish. And like I said, I understand the point. Wow, you're calling a victory. You're calling it bullish just because the price went sideways. Absolutely. Again, especially when you factor in the context of just how crazy it was on Friday. So does that mean that it's gone sideways, that this is for sure the bottom? If only trading were that easy. My point is it at least makes it a valid, at least makes it a rational thought that, yeah, maybe, just maybe this is some sort of bottom here that has formed, but there's still definitely levels that need to be watched very closely. And that first level still remains right down there at the $43 mark. Because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 43 and then break down through there, well, all of a sudden you have the price essentially going right back to where it was. And I mean, when price movements go back to where they were, especially when those are previous lows, not exactly a sign of true power. So $43 remains that very important level of support, which again, I talked about on Friday. In fact, you can see right there, the price bounced right off that. So, I mean, the power of charts right there, beautiful forecast of that area of support. So for any of you chart players out there that maybe watched a video on Friday and took advantage of that, a nice bounce. I mean, you got basically a $4 move off of that area. But regardless, 43 still remains that main area of support. As far as levels of resistance, yes, you have this area up here at $50.50 and that level way up there. But this level, I think, is irrelevant right now. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this down because now that we have more data after today, seems as though 47.25 has now made itself apparent as another area where the sellers are hanging out at. So keep your eye on these levels moving forward. But yeah, all eyes still on that $43 mark. As long as the price stays above there, then yeah, it can be argued that maybe this is finally the bottom that's formed. But let's see how the week continues to unfold. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.